Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to require Face ID for apps on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. So in order to lock the app behind the Face ID, all you need to do is press and hold your finger on the app. For instance, when you have the app in the home screen, then you can press and hold your finger, and then you have the option Require Face ID. If you select it, then you can choose to Require Face ID or Hide and Require Face ID. So I'm gonna choose Require Face ID, and now if we will need to also use Face ID, so remember to do that. Or maybe even not. But if you press open the app, then you will need to verify with your Face ID. And also, if you don't have the app in the home screen, you can, for instance, open this page over here. And you can do pretty much the same thing. So you can press and hold your finger on the app once again. And you should be able to have the option to require Face ID. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!